Hello everyone, it's Patty and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you really quickly how I set up my gorgeous Pelledori from Pellestudio. This is actually the cover that I bought back in May, and this was, I don't know if it was a limited edition, but it has this gorgeous kind of like rainbow pastel-y spine that it's all glittery, and it's a cover for my Hobo Weeks, which is the my weekly planner. And I have set it up using this gorgeous, let me show you, paper pad from Michaels. So here it is. As you can see, it's a mix of fall and Halloween, but because Halloween is only a month and I wanted to kind of keep this kit for this setup for most of the fall, I did not use any of the Halloween kind of decor, but I've gone just simply with the pumpkins, the more classic kind of like fall designs. But to start it off, I'm going to remove this. This is a gorgeous clip that was given to me by my friend Christine, and she got it from Firandyew, and it's just stunning. The colors are just a perfect match, so I'm gonna remove it. Now this cover, I wanted to let you know, has only 2 elastics. So in order to accommodate 3 inserts, all I did is I used one of those jump ends, and you can get from whatever traveler notebook you have, or if you have one of those Japanese, and now the name escapes me, but like this Japanese traveler notebooks, you can have extra bands so you can use an extra insert. So I basically attached one insert to the second insert here so that I can use 3, but 3 is my lucky number when it comes to inserts. But let's open this up. This baby is a little bit stuffed, so I love how the inside here, it's the same gorgeous kind of like what is that color? Foam something, but it's a very soft pastel green. I have put this little paper clip here that I've had for forever. It came in some sort of kit. I don't remember where I got that from. Then I have a little diamond paper clip here. In the back here, I have one of the washi cards from this month kit from Simply Gilded. It says shine bright like a diamond, and I just thought it looks so cute in there. I normally would cover it up with washi tape. I didn't get a chance to do it. Actually, I'm kind of like the way it's there, because otherwise you can't say that you can see this as a shine bright like a diamond, and so I may just leave it as that. And then here I have my name, my handle, PlanningFancy, and this was also given to me by my friend Christine, the same one who gave me the Firandyew little clip. And Christine's name is actually Faith Artistry. I think I'm double checking, but I'll double check and thank Christine below. And it's just gorgeous. I don't know where she got it, but it's just, this is so genius, so pretty, and I just love how it sits there, and it kind of like brings in the color from the gold, the gold foil, which is what I used in the setup. Now my first insert here, it's for the Hobo Weeks. As you can tell, it's already busting at the seams. Now, I was naughty and I did not plan for this week at all. I have been behind, and that's why you haven't seen me posting anything, because I have not planned. If I'm not in the mood, I'm not gonna plan. And this is a little can kind of what is it called? I can't think, guys, but this is a bookmark, and this is by Shinepaperstudio, and I just love it. I've been meaning to kind of laminate it so it lasts longer, but I haven't done so. But let's start from the beginning. So the first layer that I have on my first section is this beautiful acetate that came in a ThePlannerSociety older kit, and I layered it with this beautiful vellum. Now the vellum I have had for a while, and I will try to link it below if I find out where I got it from. It kind of escapes me right now where I got it from, but I will try to link it below if I can find it. So I wanted to basically have this double effect. I wanted the bows, but I wanted you know, this pattern on the back. And so then I used a couple of little brads here in the corner, and in the front here I have this bow which came in one of the Simply Gilded monthly sub boxes. This was a little charm bow. I just removed the little lobster clasp and I attached it to the front because I love bows and I thought it looked so pretty there. Now here is the first cover, which is made using the paper from the paper pad. Now, one thing that it's not from the paper pad, it's this well, not from the paper pad, it's not as it came in the paper pad, is this giant kind of like big pumpkin, pink pumpkin. So basically what I did is there was a bigger 12 by 12 cardstock that had this pumpkins on the corners, and all I did is I cut them out and then I layered them on top of this paper to create more of a layered effect. And then I used these stickers from the Planner Society to say today, and then there's these little kind of 3D dots from Michael's, I believe. And then of course my favorite, which are these border stickers, kind of like I think they're called the kind of glitter hedgers from the Planner Society, that are in the perfect pastel green that goes, so you know, I wanted to pick out on the green here. There's already so much purple, so I picked up on the green and I just loved the way they looked, and I just wrapped it around my Obonichi Weeks and didn't add anything else because again, this is a small planner, so it does not really allow too much bulk, but I still wanted to make it pretty. And in the back here I have one little paper pad that was also from the Planner Society. I just love it. It was so cute. I love these little houses, and this was gives you a lot of room to write, so you can really write a lot of notes. Then this is the back of the acetate with the word fancy, because clearly why not. And this word fancy is actually from a little pack of these acetate words that were from ID Swap. And then here to divide these two sections, I've got in one of the little doilies. You can get at Michael's. They're in the dollar little bins in the front. And then instead here we have a different kit. So well, this paper, this vellum, is not from Michael's. This vellum is actually from Vanessa, HelloPetitePaper Co. And she did have a kit that was, you know, a fall kit last year. And I never used it, so I still had the paper, which is super cute. So I have used it, and then I put this little bow sticker in the front. And then on the inside, I use the second paper, which is like a fall paper, and it's also from the kit. Now, one thing that I forgot to mention is that the paper from the paper pad I showed you, the Craft Smart, this paper pad, it's single-sided, so I had to double them up, and so that kind of added a little bit to the bulk of the situation, because these are two different separate pieces of paper that I just layered to make, you know, with coordinating patterns to make it prettier. So I picked this green one for this one to pick on the green, and this soft pink one for this one because it has more purple. And so just to let you know, so if you're gonna use this paper pad, is single. I wish that Michael's had more paper pads that are double-sided, because I just love it when everything is already taken care of for me and I don't have to think and try to figure out something that matches. And then as you can tell, it's basically the same situation. We have the glitter edgers from the Planner Society, different color, kind of like a jewel little cabochons here from Michael's. Then this little card is from Vanessa's kit from last year. It says I love fall most of all, and I layered it on the glitter paper from Hobby Lobby. This one is also from the Vanessa's kit, and then the little bow is from the Planner Society older kit. And then of course little brads, because I like to have something pop out. And inside here I have the shop coupon codes insert by AnniePlansPrintables, because Annie has my favorite inserts. And then in the back here I have more die cuts from Vanessa's kit. She had this cute little girl with a little, you know, boots, showing the boots, and there's actually a little bow under there. It's the same bow, and I thought, well, why not put two more bows on top of it to kind of make it pop. And these little bows are from Hobby Lobby, and they sell them when it's Valentine's Day, so they'll sell you a big bag with the pink, red, and white. So I always buy them because they're really cheap. And then there's a little pumpkin. Then this is the back of the vellum with more words from the Planner Society, the back of the doily. And then I had to do, of course, a washi dashboard because, first of all, this is just the perfect match. I love, love, love. Now there's a little bit of you know, these two together do not go so well, but I can live with it. Normally it would kind of irk me, but I think I am trying to move away from being perfectly matchy. But again, I may still add something in there to transition between the two. I honestly think that between the two, probably a white doily would have been better, but I didn't have one. But just a thought, I may update that. But I love these washi tapes. They're mostly from they're all from the from Simply Gilded. This is the latest one, the pink pumpkin that came out, a few weeks back. This one is from the August subscription box. So then I have this adorable little bow sticker from Marga, Once More with Love. And then in here I have another little vellum that, again, I need to figure out where I got this one from. And then I have an initial from Michael's, the one with the little pearls. And inside is the cover of these for this insert, and this is another paper from the same paper pad. Now on this one, again, same glitter edgers. I used this little house that came in a kit a couple months back from the Planner Society. I think it was May, may have been May, but I just laminated her and then propped it on 3D dots and then added a little bow. And I layered this particular paper with this paper just because I think it's, the colors match nicely. And then in here I have used this little blank notebook. This came from an older box from oh my goodness, so what is it called? The GP Sticker Studio. So I used to get their subscription box, and I just thought that the colors look so pretty, especially with the outside of the planner mostly, but I just love it. I love this little insert. I had it actually on a different planner. I had it on my other Pelledori, but I love it so much I pulled it out of that one and put it in here. And then in the back I have a little clear pocket with the gold bows from the Planner Society. Then I have nail decals from Simply Gilded, and I have a little sticker sheet from Planner Society, and then I have a little one of those bows that I was telling you about. Then in the back here I used another one of the little houses, and there I picked up on the purple. This is the vellum kind of version. And then for the back, the same little bow sticker from Marg, Once More with Love. And then in here, I just have some stickers from RosecoloredDaze, HappieScrappie. This is a very old little paper clip that I had from Southernmessdesigns. And then a little other house from the Planner Society. And this I just cut out from the kit from one of the papers, and I just shoved it in there, and it looks like that. So this is it, guys. So this is very, very quick setup. And oh yeah, I had a little charm there. That's a little pumpkin that it's also from Vanessa's kit last year. But I hope you liked the setup. Again, it was super quick. I try not to to do too much volume on this one, because again, very, very limited, like in I couldn't, this doesn't have 6 rings, so this is meant to be for Hobo Weeks, and so I wanted to keep it manageable. But I love this planner. And again, if you are interested and you want to get this paper pad, here's the order. When I got it, by the way, it was $5. So I thought, how can I go wrong in getting this paper pad? But if you have any question, please leave me a comment. But it's easier if you probably just reach out to me via Instagram. You can send me a DM. I answer all DMs at PlanningFancy. And I will see you possibly Friday. I will have the unboxing of the September subscription box from the Planner Society. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.